Hey, welcome back to free online guitar tutorials by Kitaratunnit. This is Mika, and in this video I will introduce you to the finger rolling technique that is really useful not only for arpeggios, but you can also play that in licks. And if you manage to get a really good hold of this technique and to apply that fluently, you can get a really nice advantage in your playing for basically a lot of a variety of different techniques and melodies. That it just broadens up the spectrum of what you can play with it. For example, if you are playing the pentatonic and you want to divide or you want to play a sequence with group of four notes, you can use this technique, so you don't have to jump around like this. You can just go like, and why you need to do that I will show you now. So let's play a pentatonic scale divided into a group of 4 notes. It sounds like this. And the way I played it was in the middle section especially, there's a lot of finger rolling going on. Let's analyze that a little bit. It takes a little bit of foresight to know when to apply that. So basically what I'm doing is I play this lick here. So the 4th note, I don't play it regularly with the tip of my ring finger, but I lay it flat on the ground, on the fretboard, and then I erect it again by lifting it up a little bit. I will quickly explain the rolling technique. If you put your finger anywhere on the fretboard, let's say here, you're playing this 1 note, and immediately after that, that was the G note, and if you want to play the C after that on the 5th fret, you just need to collapse. You need to let your index finger collapse and play the next note. That's basically the whole technique, and it works like that for every finger. I'm actually not capable of doing that with a pinky finger, but there are people out there who can do that. I just can't collapse it. I don't know, I'm incapable of doing that physically. But it's just a minor limitation. You can use the 3 other fingers if you're the same as me. So now I'm going to show you how to apply that in the pentatonic scale. Pay attention to what my left fingers do. And what you have to pay attention to is that after you played the 4th note of this group, you must put the ring finger pretty flat, as if you already collapsed it on the fretboard, and then for the next note for the 1st note of the next group of 4th, you need to lift it up again. So it looks like this. Now the same with the index finger. Of course, you're not just limited to play sequences with that. You can use it for all kinds of licks, and that's really the whole point of knowing this technique. You want to play cool licks with that and not just boring scale sequences. They're not really that boring, but just in comparison. You can come up with all kinds of cool licks, and I suggest to experiment around with that and use that all over the fretboard. And if you're already familiar with that from arpeggios, you know works, but if not, you just made your first step to mastering this cool technique that I just demonstrated. That opens up a whole new variety of things that you can play. So, if you need more guidance, just for example, if you want to study with me in my lesson programs, get in touch with me. It's very easy. Just go to www.kitaratunnit.fi. There you can get in touch with me easily, and I'm really excited to get to know you and hear about your challenges and frustrations. So don't hesitate, get in touch, don't be shy. Really looking forward to hearing from you, and make sure to take advantage of that free download section. The link below this video takes you there, and we'll show you how to get access to that. So that's it for now, and see you in the other videos, and hopefully hear from you soon. I'm really looking forward to that and to helping you getting forwards. Stay tuned!